Tips on preventing heart disease. Ang sakit sa puso ang pangunahing dahilan ng pagkamatay. Drugs will only cover up the symptoms of poor diet and lifestyle. Narito ang bawat payo na mayroon ako upang mailigtas ang iyong puso. Stop drinking alcohol. Get 8 hours of sleep every night. Stop eating processed junk food 24/7. Limit it to once every 2 weeks, max. Aim for 10,000 steps a day to avoid a 1,500,000 pesos heart replacement. Monitor your blood pressure. What gets tracked gets managed. Get your blood work 2 times a year at your physician, minimum. What gets tracked gets managed. Sodium is necessary to survive. It's impossible to eliminate it. Increase your potassium intake. Other great sources of potassium are coconut water, leafy veggies, meat, and fish. Aim for 150 minutes of brisk walking or jogging a week, that's 22 minutes a day. Cardio is good for the heart, mind, and soul. You should at least climb up 4 floors in under a minute. That's around 40 steps in a minute without stopping. Men, a healthy heart katumbas a healthy sex life. Don't skip cardio. Use shorter rest periods in the gym to keep your heart rate high to mimic cardio. Stop smoking. Stop snacking. Stop sitting all day. Your family depends on you alive. If you don't take care of yourself, they will suffer. Use your body or you will lose your body. Believe that you can build a healthy life and you will. Self-belief is the most powerful drug in the world. Follow to be a better you. Thanks for watching.